Guys, subscribe.
Today, we are in Barangay Pembo.
Guys, subscribe.
Gusto mo ng shoutout, last shoutout para sa business?
Yeah, shout out to Burger Burger House, guys. Subscribe to his channel.
So guys, 1 to 8, Monday to Friday dito sa Barangay Pembo sa kalsadang Sunflower. Nakikita nyo dito mismo yung Magic Chef. Gumagawa siya ng hapunan nyo, tanghalian nyo. Kuya Kurt, certified masarap, guys. Maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa vlog na ito. Sana makakita ko kayo sa susunod. Hanggang dyan, guys, nandito ako sa harap ng isang sa mga pinakamasarap na hamburger sa buong Pilipinas. Mag-ingat kayo, mag-ingat sila sa inyo. Kita-kits. Wow, galing, guys! Pwedeng mag-GMA artist na kayo.
Hey! Ako si Jericho. Tamad ako magtrabaho kaya I started my own business. Nang dahil sa isang influencer at celebrity, medyo nakilala ang business ko. Welcome to a life of simple, poor business owner.
Alright! Guys, this is only 60 pesos. Hey everyone! Can you see this? I've been invited so many times to be part of this. Ang problema kasi guys, yung mga equipment ko wala namang sasaksakan. As much as I want to join mga bazaar, thank you po for inviting us. Pero again, yun nga, walang sasaksakan. Tsaka mukhang mahirap i-travel yung mga gamit. Kailangan ng malaking sasakyan. Hindi ba dalawa lang kami ng mama ko? So, paano yun?
Okay, guys. So, I'm cooking right now. This is the perks ng merong small business. Ay, gosh. Feeling ko pala yung tao-tao ko. So, I'm cooking French fries right now. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng mayonnaise at cheese sauce. Then, I'm gonna add this. Dudurugin ko lang siya. Ang gawin na siyang parang nachos. Okay, there you go. I think sobrang dami. Then, we're gonna add mayonnaise. Then, we're gonna add cheese sauce. Ala, malamig na siya. Then, I'm gonna add the taco beef. Wait lang, hirap. Okay, there you go. Then, durugin ko lang to. Gawin natin toppings. Hindi naman gano'ng kalaki. Cut it. There you go. Bon appetit.
Hi everybody, good morning. This is not actually the way I wanted to use my morning, but we went to the club. Yeah, we went to the club. You heard it right. Meron tayong ni-rescue na friend. And since tayo yung malapit, tayo yung pwedeng mag-rescue. We're just one call away.
That's my favorite drip. I get it from the broke man store, but that don't really matter to me. Yeah, broken hearts can't hurt you when you're dancing. Yeah, I only wanna feel good. Yeah, I only wanna slide. Ooh, ooh, slide on me on over to the dance floor. Yeah, stop looking at the road clock. That time just gonna glide past 3. Yeah, so break me free. I wanna get you dancing.
Sorry, can we move, baby? Got my love for free, yeah. We don't have to stop it, got it, use it, baby, drop it and get loose on me. Pulling like the sea, yeah. Slide on me,
gosh, sobrang init. So, I'm here at San Antonio Village. Naghahanap ako ng bakery. Malalaman niyo soon kung bakit. Okay, yung paghahanap ng buns supplier, check. Now I'm heading to IKEA sa may, or IKEA sa may, what do you call that place? Sa QC, sa Trinoma, IKEA Trinoma. Let's go. Nirealize ko, bakit ako pupunta ng IKEA Trinoma? Eh, mas malapit ako sa IKEA Pasay. We're here. Here we go! This is so cute. Okay. The reason why I like this, gagawin ko siyang parang cashier. Para hindi na yung automatic tsaka gagamit pa ng electricity. This is cute. There you go. So I'm here to test the light. Okay. Let's go yung ilaw. Dami kong naiwan. Buti na lang mababait sila. Okay, kailangan na natin umuwi. Dahil pag nandito tayo, gumagastos tayo. Very wrong. Kaya... Oh gosh. Good afternoon po.
the reason kung bakit pumunta ako ng IKEA ulit. Kasi kulang ako sa ganito. And I already printed out this para pasok ko na lang. Say hi. Hi. We're here at our favorite hot pot area. Here, Market. Let's go. Ang plano namin ay KFC, pero dahil KKB, dito kami. KKB pa tama. Dapat libre niya no? Guys, look what I found. Century Tuna Super Bowl. Papayat ba ako dito?
Jerbalu, 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 balu, balu, jerbalu, 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 balu, balu, jerbalu, 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 balu, balu, jerbalu, jerbalu. Teka, sino ba yung jerbalu?